You will need a pump, a pair of levers, a patch kit, 15mm wrench, or an adjustable wrench. Remove the rim. If it's the back rim, take the chain off. Let out any extra air. Take out the lever. Remove the tire from the rim using the tire levers. Make sure to unscrew the valve screw if you have one. Grab your pump and slightly inflate your inner tube. Find your hole by making your way around the inner tube, feeling or listening to the air. Using the scratcher, scratch around the hole until you have a rough surface. Release some air. Grab your glue. Apply glue onto the surface of inner tube. Allow time to dry. Grab your patch. Press onto hole. Keep pressure for a good amount of time. Slightly inflate inner tube. Halfway, insert the tire onto the rim. Find your valve hole. Insert valve along with the inner tube into the tire and rim. Now snap in the rest of the tire completely into the rim. Insert valve screw. Pump the inner tube back up all the way. Go back to bike and put rim back into place. To put on the chain, start with the cog and then the gear. Apply tension by putting the rim back, and at the same time, tighten the bolts. And you're ready to go.